everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an RS SS tribute car. It's not a real car, but I'll tell you what, guys, beautifully cloned. This car has 33 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It is body color underneath. It is a factory Bolero red car with factory black vinyl interior, and it's also a factory 4-speed car. Bought the car from a gentleman out of Kentucky, and like I say, when I bought it, it had 21 miles on it, so we put 12 miles on the car. It literally has 33 miles on the odometer right now. Beautiful car, again, rotisserie restored, it's body color underneath. It has a healthy 427 cubic inch engine in it, Muncie 4-speed trans. It even has the correct 67 high performance 12-bolt rear end in it with the factory radiator spar. The one thing I did, it had the stock 331 gear. This car has way too much horsepower for that gear, so we actually took it down and had a 373 put in it so that it's got more gear. Car needed more gear, you're just going to be smoking clutches. Again, they've added the RS SS package to it. It's got the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers, and beautifully done. Very, very nice car. Car runs and drives excellent. Sorry guys, a little dust on there. New chrome. And that's what the guy said, man. He said either every nut and bolt is new on the car, or he said if we used the old bolt, it's because we couldn't find a new one for it. It is kind of sprinkling rain here. I apologize. I got the pictures done, but I can kind of feel it dripping a little bit right now. We'll try to get this video done for you. Nice, nice car. Again, factory Bolero red, factory 4-speed car. Unfortunately, we're going to be dodging raindrops all day today, but I'm going to try to get a couple more cars advertised for you because I am leaving town. Nice and straight down the sides. Car does have new quarters on it. You can see it's got all brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. New Cragar SS wheels. Pretty car. Again, you look in the wheel wells, they're all body color. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you, and it's, like I say, it's all body color. Front disc brakes. It's a 69 through 71 427 rectangular port head engine. It's got a polished Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it, polished intake. It does have rectangular port head, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an HEI distributor in it. You can see it's got that polished intake on it. Got the big block radiator in it with the shroud. One thing I always kind of caution people to, when a car's got this few miles on it, you're going to be doing some adjusting, guys. There's going to be some shakedown, miles on this car. Like I say, I didn't like the gear in it, so I went ahead and changed it. This kind of horsepower with this kind of cam, you're just going to be smoking clutches, with a 331. So we put a 373, and you can see the A-pillar chrome that's all new. Oh, doggone sprinkles. New door handles, new door rubbers. New carpet. Seen a little stone peck there, probably when you're adjusting the doors. Bucket seats, console, Hurst shifter, factory tach and gauge car. $33.5 miles, guys. Tach works, gauges all work, even the clock in there works. It's got one of those audio sounds, AM, FM radios in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, again 12 bolt. Now it has a 373 limited slip in it, but it even, like I say, this 12 bolt is a 67 12 bolt Camaro rear end. It's got a radius bar on it right from the factory. That was an option on your high performance. Sorry guys, on your high performance, your big block 67 Camaros. Look how nice that car is underneath, man. Beautiful. Knocked some cars out yesterday. We still got I think 6 or 7 to get advertised, so I'm gonna try to knock them out here, guys. Mother Nature's not cooperating, but we'll make sure we do the best we can to get them done. We're gonna be dodging raindrops, unfortunately, today. Dash is nice and clean. Light in the console works. Go ahead, Jordo. Yeah, wicked 427 in here, guys. I would recommend putting about 500 miles on this car before you start jumping on it. I've already told Jordy not to hammer on this thing. When these cars are this fresh, man, you just shouldn't be real hard on them. Again, all your gauges are working down there. That car beats the ground, man. Just beats the ground. I can't remember. Yeah, I don't know if that. I never. Oh yeah, it comes on. I never even turned it on. I know the blower motor works. Radio works, guys. Wipers are functional. Yeah, it's all brand new stuff. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You do that. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Car's so loud. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That car sounds good, man.